and welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing for this is powder, so it's like the powder beauty drawer, and it's a subscription box, but it isn't really. They no longer offer subscription box services, I believe, and this was an offer on Groupon, and I could get 6 boxes and it was only £39 for all 6 boxes. You then had to pay, I think it was about £15 for the postage and packaging. So I then found a code for Groupon. So all in all, each month's box cost just over £8 for myself, which is amazing. That's delivered as well, so really, really good value. I will pop you a little link up here of my first unboxing that I did last month, and it was absolutely fantastic value for money, so I was absolutely thrilled. So I'm really keen to see what's inside it. I shall just go get some scissors and I'll be back in a moment. Right, so I'm back with my scissors. So let's just get into this and see what there is. So, oops. This is just saying monthly subscription box. Doesn't say that. Thank you for purchasing the powder beauty drawer. We hope you enjoy trying out all of your products. Don't forget to share a photo of your beauty drawer in action, tagging us at This Is Powder using the hashtag powder beauty drawer for a chance to win £1,000 of beauty products. If you have any questions regarding this, email them, blah 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 blah. Now, these boxes are beautiful looking boxes. They're absolutely gorgeous. So it's the same as my last one. So it's like a baby pink with an embossed powder beauty drawer. On the side it says, yesterday's eyeliner can be today's smoky eye if you believe in yourself. That's a bit of a life quote. And then this one, beauty just got personal. This is powder.co.uk at This Is Powder. There we go. So it's the drawer style boxes. So in here we go. So there's a leaflet which will have details of the products, and then it's a tissue paper. I'll take it out of the box completely and let's have a look. Can't get in. Last month was really, really good. So yeah, my first box last month was actually August 2017's box, so I'm not sure which one this will be. So loads and loads of little noodles. Get rid of some of those, and there are the products. So let's have a look at the card, and it says October 2017. So yeah, they are old boxes, but it doesn't really bother me. So let's get stuck in, and first thing, get that opened up, is, so obviously it's a face mask, so it's black mask and it's 15 mils, and let's see what it says about this. So black mask, you've probably noticed that charcoal is having a bit of a moment, especially as an ingredient in face masks, and with good reason. Charcoal acts as a magnet, attracting and drawing grime and dirt out of your pores. This mask does exactly that and works wonders at fighting blackheads. No pore shall be left unclogged. Power tip: don't apply to your entire face. This is heavy duty, so avoid delicate areas like around your eyes. Stick to your nose, T-zone and chin. Well, actually, I'm quite interested to try this because I have recently started doing some face masks on my channel, and I started last Friday and a new feature called Face Mask Friday, so yeah, I'll pop a link there for that as well if you're interested. And so yeah, I will definitely be trying this one out, although I haven't had a charcoal peel off mask yet, but the ones I've seen look really, really painful. Okay, so next item is, ooh, I'm happy about this. So it is Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum, and that's 20 mils. We got something from them before as well in the last box, which was really good. So Nipple Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. Don't panic, no dragons were harmed in the making of this product. It is in fact a serum that gives skin the moisture boost that is needed at this time of year. Months of summer sun exposure and cooling temperatures can be awfully mean to the complexion. To get more from your serum, apply it to slightly damp skin when it's at its most absorbent. So yeah, really do like that, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Next item is, continuing with the orange, Blush Crush by Malati London. It's a powder blush, and let's have a little look. Prepare yourself for these transformative blushes. Harry, a perky peach, warms the skin, whilst Nick, a flirty fuchsia, wakes up a tired face. They're super blendable and give you that much lusted after au naturel flushed look when applied to the apples of your cheeks. Use a large soft bristle brush to diffuse the colour. We know it's Halloween this month, but no clown faces here, thank you. So let's have a little look. Obviously it's not Halloween this month, but it was when the box came out. Here we go. So I'm assuming I've got the peach one. Ooh. Oh, wow, so there's a nice big mirror, which is good. And then there's lots of product. Let's have a look. Feels nice and smooth and fine. And so that's actually really, really pretty colour. Very subtle. So yes, I shall look forward to using that. So yes, there we go. Next item. You get lots of things in here. So it's got an Urban Veda Neem and Botanics Daily Purifying Facial Wash. Pore refining, mattifying, and for oil prone skin. Right, well I don't really get oily skin, so I might pop this in a giveaway. Let's have a look. What does it say? La, 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 la. Here we go. Guys, if you're not double cleansing already, then we really must insist you start now. Once you've taken your makeup off, then use Urban Veda facial wash straight after for a deeper clean. We love these face washes so much, not only because they're vegan, but also because they get down to the nitty-gritty and remove daily grime and pollution. Don't use hot water to rinse as it dries the skin. Not ideal as the colder months draw in. Right. So yes, it's not ideal drying your skin as the colder months draw in. So yeah, so I will pop that in one of my giveaways. Is it sealed? No. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really nice actually. So there we go. I'm saying I'm putting it in my giveaway. I might end up pinching it for myself. We'll see. Next thing is Nails Ink Corrector Pen. Ooh, that's handy then. So there we go there. A very, very bright pink. It looks more like a summer box, doesn't it, with all these colours, rather than autumn, which it would have been at the time. So Nails Ink Corrector Pen. OMG, this product is going to change your life. It's a bit like a felt tip, but instead of ink, the nibs are soaked in nail polish remover to tidy up any little mishaps when you're doing an at-home manicure. 100% a beauty essential in our opinion. Once a nib gets a little dirty on one side, flip it over and use the other end. So here we've got the nib, which you'll be able to, obviously I haven't got any polish on, but I imagine any mistakes you can go down and clean that up. The nibs will come out and clip back in, and then some spare nibs in the other side. So that's fab. Really, really like that. Very handy. Still another couple of things. So next up is, so it's Look Good, Feel Better Sculpting Sponge. Let's have a look at this. I like it. I need a new sponge actually. My Real Technique one is starting to get a bit shabby. Oh, I like the look of this. So you've got your nice pointy end like your beauty blender, your nice flat edge, although I've got a little bobble or a rip on mine. Looks a bit bumpy, but two nice flat edges, which is great for doing your concealer. You could bake with it as well. These little ones are getting right in. So yeah, great sponge. It says, look good, feel better, sculpting sponge. What a multitasker this sponge is. You can use it to contour, highlight and strobe, as well as to apply foundation. Use the flat edge to trace your cheekbones. So, and the rounder center, the rounder side to blend. So yeah, a makeup bag essential. For a dewy finish, wet the sponge slightly with a facial mist or a few drops of water before applying product. So yeah, it feels a nice dense sponge. Looking forward to trying it. And then last but not least, we've got a little perfume, and it's Obsessed by Calvin Klein, and it's a little itty bitty sample. And let's have a look. And it's a little spray one, which I like, so let's try that. I like Calvin Klein perfumes usually. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like that. I used to have the Obsession years ago. That was Calvin Klein, I think, wasn't it? So it says, oh, I've got my feet, I've got pins and needles. To say that we're obsessed with this fragrance is an understatement. It's a 2017 take on Calvin Klein's cult 1985 fragrance Obsession. So yes, I did used to have Obsession. That was in a brown bottle, I think. Well, brown lid. That's the perfect transitional scent taking you from summer to autumn. Keep an eye on it. It contains white lavender, which is traditionally a masculine note, so be wary of light-fingered men. And it is actually probably quite just like a scent that could probably be used by men or women. It's really, really, really nice. I do like that, so I will be tempted to get myself a bottle of that, I think. So there we go. I will get online now, and I shall have a look and see what the prices are, because this doesn't tell you the prices of your items. So I will have a little look and see. And then what I'll do, I'll just insert the bits in as we've been talking so you can see all the details. So going over what we got. So we got the perfume, the face mask, the cleanser, the blusher, the serum by Nipple Fab, the corrector pen, which is quite an interesting thing, plus the makeup sponge slash blender doodah. So again, another fantastic box for just £8. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, then do please join my little family here and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. At the end of my video there'll be a few other videos that you can click on, and also a subscribe one, which is just here. And yeah, so that's it. So have a lovely day, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.